Hello, Buckaroos. My name is Miss Mary Ann, and I have a wonderful story time for you today. We're going to be reading Charlie and the Ranch Dog by Ree Drummond. It's also illustrated by Diane Digroat. Oh, hello. My name is Charlie. I live in the country. I'm a ranch dog. This is Susie. She's my best friend. We sure don't look much alike, do we? Susie unfortunately doesn't have the paws I have, or the droopy eyes, or the floppy skin, or the big dangling ears. Susie's ears don't dangle. Never have, never will. I try not to hold that against her. But then again, Susie can run and dig. I've never been much of a jumper. Believe me, I've tried and tried and tried and tried. The old legs just don't work that way. But all that stuff really doesn't matter anymore, 'cause tall or short, slow or fast, tiny ears or floppy ears, there's plenty of work around here for the both of us. The first thing we do every day is get out of bed early. Too early. Dark early. I better go wake up Susie. She's never been much of a morning dog. Well, I guess she was a morning dog today. There's a first time for everything, I suppose. The next thing I have to do is chase Daisy, the cow, out of the yard. Daisy knows she's not supposed to be in the yard. Some cows never learn. Well, I guess I'll let Susie go ahead and do it this time. I like to give her a chance to shine every now and then. It's the kind of dog I am. Alrighty now that Daisy's under control, it's time for me to sniff the porch steps. I got to keep all the critters out. Sniffing the porch steps is hard work. Up and down and up and down. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Sniff, 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 sniff. Yeah, I cleared all the critters out. But it's a good thing I'm here to keep the critters away. And you see, Susie really got the squirrel from underneath the steps. After the porch steps are good and sniffed, I like to stop and have my breakfast. I can't be expected to do all this work on an empty stomach. Yum! Breakfast is my life. After breakfast, I usually help Mama in her vegetable garden. Mama loves her garden. I really don't understand all the fuss. I prefer a bacon garden myself, but I go ahead and lend a hand anyway. It sure is a good thing Mama has me to help her. There's no way she'd get it all done without me. Yawn. It isn't lunchtime yet, and I've already worked harder than most dogs out there. I think I'll just sit down and rest for a moment. I think I'll just snore. Huh? What'd I miss? Oh, I must have accidentally closed my eyes for a few seconds. I better get back to work. Work, after all, is what I do best. I have cattle to round up, fences to mend, snore, and fish to catch. I'm known for my expert fishing skills. Eventually, we make our way back to the house. Susie's ready to eat lunch by then. I usually go ahead and eat too. I wouldn't want Susie to have to dine alone. After lunch, Susie likes to lie down and take her afternoon nap. I usually go ahead and lie down too. I wouldn't want Susie to have to take a nap by herself. Snore. Huh? What'd I miss? Oh, I must have accidentally closed my eyes for a few seconds. Hello? Where'd everybody go? Rats. I guess they went back to work without me. Nothing else to do but to take another nap, I guess. Wait, what's that? Me thinks I hear the sounds of approaching beasts. Daisy, no! You could see the cows came into the garden, and Daisy, the cow, started to eat some radishes. Look how fast Charlie runs. Charlie gives a big howl and chases all the cows and steer away. Whew! That was a close call. It sure is a good thing I decided to stay home. There's no telling what would have happened if I hadn't been there. Now, if you excuse me, I think I'll sit down and rest for a minute. I've had a long, hard day of work. I just hope Susie remembers to wake me for dinner. Snore. Well, I hope you enjoyed Charlie and Susie. Instead of a craft this week, what I've done is I found a video that shows the real ranch, the real Charlie, and also Ray Drummond, who is the writer of this story time, and it shows the workings of a real ranch with the horses and the cows and the dogs. So that'll be posted after the story time. Have a wonderful week. Thank you.